In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "an unknown error has occurred" error in Adobe Illustrator. Imagine this. You're working on a project. Everything seems to be going well, and suddenly you're halted by this cryptic error message. It's frustrating, right? But don't worry, we've all been there, and getting past this issue is simpler than you might think. So, let's get started. First, you need to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Make sure that all your unsaved work is backed up, just in case. Opening the program itself is straightforward, but it's always a good idea to ensure that your version of Illustrator is updated to avoid any frequent bugs or glitches that may have been fixed in more recent updates. Once you have Illustrator open, direct your attention to the top of the window. You're looking to click on the Edit menu. Why here, you might ask? Within this drop-down, you'll find crucial settings that govern how your program operates. After clicking Edit, the next step is to hover over Preferences. This option opens up a panel designed to customize and control various aspects of Illustrator. Exploring this section can be beneficial beyond just troubleshooting this issue. It's a space that allows you to tailor the software according to your workflow needs. Now, within the Preferences panel, look for the General option. It's one of the primary tabs, and its content applies to broad functionalities within Illustrator. Selecting General helps narrow down our focus to the right set of tools we need to resolve this error. Once you're in the General section, it's time to locate and click on Reset Preferences. This action effectively clears out any corrupted data or settings that might be causing the unknown error message you're encountering. Resetting these preferences essentially restores default settings, much like hitting a refresh button for your program. After selecting Reset Preferences, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. It's essentially double-checking with you before it proceeds to erase any custom settings you've made. Click OK to confirm this action. Don't worry, your files and projects won't be affected by this reset. However, resetting preferences will revert any tailored changes like keyboard shortcuts or interface layouts you've previously customized. There you have it. You've just navigated through a simple and effective way to bypass that annoying unknown error message in Adobe Illustrator. A reset of your preferences often serves as a quick and practical solution to a wide range of unexpected issues within the program. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!